well. Say, it ain't so, Joe. You can't sell your cart. Oh, where'll I go for such delectable dogs? Such terrific tube steaks. Such wondrous wieners.
Well, I don't know. I guess you'll have to settle for Wiener Wallies.
Huh, I'll never eat at Wally's. He's the guy who put the worst in bratwurst. Ugh. I've got it. I'll buy your cart.
Okay, but you know it's gonna cost you $500.
$500? Aha. Uh-huh. Plenty of room. Wow, a heated pool. I'll take it.
What's this going on here? I've forgotten more about selling wieners than that woodpecker will ever know.
Oh, I would like to buy a hot dog, please.
Coming right up. That's one for you and one for me.
Okay, so that's just one customer. And that's one too many.
Hey, mister, can I get a dog, please?
That's one for you and two for me.
Zwerg, that does it. Get off my corner, woodpecker!
You know, I get the distinct feeling someone doesn't want me around.
Come back soon.
You! Over here! Over here! I've got just one thing to say. That's my corner!
Woodpecker. That should fix that woodpecker, you bet.
Why for you bury me, wiener boy? Guess who?
You want a weenie war? You got a weenie war, woodpecker!
You'll never sell hot dogs on my corner, wiener boy! I've got you now!
Say, this is the best hot dog mix I've ever tasted.
Oh, my aching meatball. You woodpecker, look what you done. I'll get you.
Boys, break it up. With your new hot dog mix and my investment capital, we can make millions.
Where do we
sign?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
I'm the boss. Will I get my hands on you? You come here,
No,
you.
I'm the boss, and I say no work today. Oh boy, woo!
By you little tube steak terrorist, you won't ruin my chance to make millions.
Ah, go on with you. Give me your best shot. Bet you can't hit me with hot dog.
Oh, yeah? Then take that, and those too, you bet.
Hey, if we're gonna be partners, you're gonna have to work faster than that, wiener boy.
It's the new, improved, not recently sued Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000. So hot, it can cook breakfast in bed. Breakfast not included. Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000, not to be used by the sick, elderly, pregnant, bipedal, etc., 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 etc.
Do you look good in floral print shirts and harem pants? Sure, we all do. So why not warm yourself on the most beautiful beaches in the world? Visit these tropical islands. You can hang tan or dive for pearls. The local government won't let you keep anything you find. But it's just good, clean fun to hold your breath till your lungs almost burst and then get the bends from coming up too fast. The islands are a perfect place to return to your primal self. Explore. Stuff your belly, then sit back and let the UV rays saturate your brain. Get that golden brown tan you've always wanted. You'll be looking good and living life the tropical way. Still not hot enough? Tired of the same old meat substitute? Here's a tip. All you need to make this into a succulent meal is one ingredient.
Finally, I can entertain some chums with a proper dinner party.
And that secret ingredient is...
Peculiar little character.
And Eric finally uncovers the plot to sink Bowen Island. Diane, the madman behind all of this is...
That boy's more aggravating than a bad case of shingles.
And this is how you hula! A wiki, 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 wiki.
Huh? Such a polite little fella. Hold on just an ice-picking minute. Looks like Christmas is coming early this year. Aw, ain't he as cute as a bug's ear? I'll just take him to his home and let him rest up.
And now our afternoon movie, Frigid Winter.
Frigid winter?